How to create Facebook group chat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook Messenger application on your device in order to create a group chat on Facebook. Now once open, tap on the Customize option on top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for group chat. Tap on it and now go ahead and start selecting the individual whom you want to add to the group chat. You can also tap on the search bar and search for individuals by typing their name. Once you are done adding in people in your group chat, simply tap on the next option on the top right of your screen, and now in the interface that you will be elected to, you can then go ahead and create a group name for your group chat. So go ahead and enter your group name and select if you want the group chat or a community chat. Once selected, tap on the create option on the top right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, the group chat has been created. You can additionally go ahead and tap on the add option if you want to add in more people to your chat. You can also tap on the name option if you want to edit your group name, and you can then tap on the members option if you want to check in the members of your group. So this was about how you can create group chat on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.